just want to take a minute to show you one of my favorite features of Workspace when you are designing and differentiating with a group of students. In front of us, we have a workspace that has been developed for grades 3 to 5 and as a STEAM activity. I have it sectioned off, I have it separated by colors, and I also have it grouped. So I have my teacher view, I have a group for all of my students, and then I've broken it down to group A, B, and C. Right here, though, a lot of people don't notice that if you click this, you can actually see the students that you have in each group. And when you're designing your workspace, as you hover over and see all groups, you can go through each card and make sure that works. But if I want to see what Jessica Lovejoy sees, I just click this little preview button and I can see her workspace. So you're going to notice that the cards that I had, the teacher cards, are disappearing. And Jessica's in two groups. She's in group A and she's in group B, but only the people in group A will see the purple cards. So I can turn on and I can turn off these features. So because Jessica's one of my high flyers and I know that she can work through this without assistance, I let her go. So if I go down to Martin Prince, he might have a different view depending on how I set it up. But you also can't see that purple section that I had before. So back to the main one, there's the purple section back. So as you differentiate and create your groups, students don't even notice that they don't see what everyone else sees. So you have a customized student experience. Hope you enjoyed my tip. What's your favorite?